In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to use your D2L email. As a student at CCA, you have access to 2 email accounts. The college will use your CCA email for all communication with you. If you need to email someone within the college, please use your CCA email, not your personal email, to do so. D2L also hosts an internal email system. This means that you can only email people within D2L. When using the D2L email, you cannot send or receive emails from people who are not registered in D2L. So emails from accounts such as Yahoo, Hotmail, or Gmail are not accessible to you when using your D2L email. If you need to contact a classmate or your instructor, use your internal D2L email to do so. You should contact your instructor using their CCA email address only in the event of an emergency, or if you're unable to access D2L. Likewise, expect that your instructor will also contact you via your D2L email. Regardless of what course you're logged into in D2L, you can always view your email in the main navigation bar by clicking on the Messages icon to the right, then selecting the Go to Email link. Once in your email inbox, unread messages appear in darker blue and read messages appear in lighter blue. To read an email, click directly on the subject title. Your message will appear in the message preview pane below. Use the scroll bar to move up and down within the message. You can reply to this email by clicking on the Reply button at the top left-hand side of the message preview pane. A new window will appear, allowing you to reply to this message. Type your reply in the message box below. If you want to add an attachment to this email, click on the Browse button to locate the file on your computer. Click the Send button at the bottom left-hand side of your window to send your reply. You'll receive confirmation that your message was sent successfully. You can then exit the window by clicking on the red X icon at the top right-hand side of the window to return to your email inbox. To view the email you just sent, click on the Sent Mail link beneath the folder list to the left of the inbox. And here's our newly sent email. Let's click back on the Inbox folder to return to our email inbox. To delete an email, checkmark the email you want to delete on the far left-hand side of the inbox. Then select the Move to Trash link. Our email is now deleted and located in the Trash folder. Now let's review how to compose a new message. First, you need to navigate to the class list by clicking on the Class List link in the course navigation bar. Here you'll see a list of all the classmates enrolled in the course with you and your instructor. Click directly on the name of the person you want to email within your class list. A new email message window will appear, inserting that person's D2L email address into the To field of the message. Don't be alarmed if you don't see a full email address in the To field. Remember, this is an internal email system, so your email will reach the other person if you're using the class list. Type your subject into the Subject field. When sending an email to your instructor, make sure you include your full name, the course name, and the topic of your email. Then write your message in the message box below. Click the Send button and you'll see a confirmation that the message was sent. We can exit out of this window by clicking on the red X icon at the top right-hand side of the window. And we're back to the class list. If you need to email multiple people within your class list, mark the box next to each person's name you want to email, then click on the email link. This concludes the email tutorial. Let's recap. Remember, to read an email, click on the Messages icon in the main navigation bar, then select the Go to Email link. To send an email, navigate to the class list in the course navigation bar and click on the person's name you want to email. To select multiple emails, checkmark the boxes next to their name and click on the email link above.